Hey guys, this is PowerStroke at 11. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your controller when you've probably forgotten if you, take your Xbox somewhere. And you see I just put my battery in. I'm holding it down. And again, if you gone somewhere and don't have another charger, don't have a battery, another one, and it's kind of sucks. I realize this, but nothing because I don't have anything in. Plugged it in. Nothing. So we could just throw that. Now, got this Xbox One controller. I don't know how it works on Xbox One controller, but what you need for this is 2 AA batteries, tape. Now, I'd use electrical tape, but I only have this tape right now because I used it all up. So what you do? Take back of the controller. You need to put one way and one other. It don't really matter. And it don't matter how many pennies you need. Just put it at the very top. Make sure there's a little bit of space. And just push down on the penny and put it in there until you think you can't put any more in, like that. I just took it out, so I had 3. And then you take some tape it, and this is why I like electric tape, because it will keep it still. Alright, so turn around. There you go. Now my Xbox is unplugged because it has something wrong with it all the time. But anyhow, thanks for watching. This is PowerStroke at 11, and peace out.